Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Austria. Today we are in Ried in Innkreis taking a look at the new Honda HR-V. The car has got the Austrian premiere here, so this is the facelifted version, and actually next to it we have the pre-facelift model, so we can also see the changes. This is the Advanced Plus trim, so the special trim that gives you the wheel arches in the same color as the body of the car, also here the lower section of the bumper, and also you can see the glass black grille looking very nice. Now the facelifted version has got the new grille, as you can see, different styling, as well as the different styling for the bumper. I really love this clean design for the bumper now. And also, let me show you from this angle, this particular model has got these special wheels. So the 18-inch wheels with the lovely design, dual tone, and a lot of details here. 225/50 R18, that's the dimension of the tires. And before we move on, let me show you the specs. So this is the trim, Advanced Plus, and 2025 model, the facelifted version. Price is here. The car has got the hybrid powertrain, 2 electric motors, and the 1.5-liter petrol unit, 131 PS, paired with the e-CVT automatic transmission. Also, this is the new urban gray color, which looks amazing in my opinion. 4 meters 35.5 centimeters is the length of the car. Very nice sporty lines. You see also the tinted windows, and of course a very cool detail, the hidden door handle at the rear. Now from the rear we have the new taillights, so the beautiful new lighting signature. In my opinion, very nice and clean design. And also we can check out how it looked before. So we will close this tailgate. So here is how it looked before. You see the different styling, different lighting signature, and then over there the new one. And again, on this trim you have the lower section of the bumper finished in the same color as the body of the car. And now I will open the tailgate. So electric tailgate opens itself, of course. And here we are greeted with a nice square shape and additional room in here. You can put smaller elements on the sides, and of course fold the seats. And also these are the magic seats, so I will show you that as well, of course. I want to hear your thoughts on the exterior design of the car before we move on to the interior. So yeah, share your thoughts with me. Now we will check it out from inside, and I will put the lights to auto. There we go. So you see the new central console, the enhanced interior. Let's start here. You see lovely materials, the buttons for the windows and the mirrors, as well as lock and unlock. Of course, here you can put a bottle, as this is divided into 2 sections. The seats feel very nice, and also they are very comfortable. I've been sitting in the car before, and yeah, now let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright, so from driver's perspective, this is how it looks. You have the digital cockpit here on the left, the analog dial on the right. Here is the main touchscreen, the 9-inch screen, and also you see here the new central console. Easier to access the wireless charging pad from passenger's side, as the predecessor had a bit of a different design in here. Now let me change the view and show you more details. Alright, so starting with the steering wheel, you have the physical buttons on it, including the one for heating of the steering wheel itself. You saw that the digital cockpit is here on the left and the analog dial is on the right. Main touchscreen, and below it you have this very good physical buttons for the AC, so I'm a big fan of this. USB ports, so here's the USB-C port, and then in the middle again the new central console, and the gear selector for the e-CVT automatic transmission. Drive mode selector, 3 driving modes are available. The cup holders, and here you have some extra room. Speaking about room, there we go, also decent amount of room in the glove compartment. I look at the design of the air vents. That is very cool in my opinion. So you can control it here, and then also you have the air vent here, and also here next to the screen, of course. Now the sun visor, hello there. You have the lights in here, of course, and now we are ready to check out the rear bench. Let's check out the rear bench. So we will open the door here with this hidden door handle, very cool detail. You have little storage compartment in here, and now we will enter, and this is how it looks. I will actually go to different side. There we go. I have the storage compartment and also this additional one, as you can see, maybe for a smaller element. In the middle, the armrest with the cup holders, the air vents, and the USB-C ports. There we go. Here's your view at the front, and let me show you how it looks for my head. Alright then, this is how it looks on 1.87 m. So very nice and comfortable place to be here at the back seat of the 2025 Honda HR-V. And now let me show you the magic seats. So if you do this, there we go. Now we have the magic seats. You can do the same for the other seat as well, and then you can put, for example, a bicycle here or some luggage that you have. Definitely very, very practical indeed. So I will now do it just to show you. There we go. Look at the amount of room that this gives you. Really, the name says it all. Magic seats. And then just do this, put them back. That's it. And of course you can fold the seats like this as well. So both the whole rear bench actually, and then have the flat bottom, and up to 1,289 liters. Now let's also do a comparison of the interior. So here we have the 2024 model, the predecessor, pre-facelift one, and you see here the lower section here has different design, and then on the new one we have the new design, and again easier access here in the middle, especially for the passenger. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts, and it's nice to have both cars next to each other to see the changes. Right guys, that was the first review of the new Honda HR-V. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this trim? How do you like the changes on the facelifted model? And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.